Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code. Let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll to localize the serial number, which is unfortunately not here. We have to enter the model section, so let's tap on it, and as you can see the serial number is on the second position. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.